Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today, I'll be showing you how to connect IC markets to MT5. The very first step is that we will need the account details provided by IC markets, which are sent to you via email. If we check the email, as you can see here, we get our login and server information. When logging into the account, you need to keep this information in mind. First, open the MetaTrader 5 app on your device. Then sign up or log in to your account. I'm already logged in. Next, tap the three horizontal lines in the top left corner of the screen. After that, tap on Manage Accounts and then tap the plus icon in the top right corner. Now tap on the search bar and search for IC Markets. Once you have searched for IC Markets, click on the server and then enter your login and password. After entering your login and password on the correct server type, click on Done in the bottom right corner. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.